In this video, I'll be talking about the Marquee tool. The Marquee tool is used to make selection in shapes. For example, the rectangular Marquee and the elliptical Marquee tool. Let's start with the rectangular Marquee tool. With the rectangular Marquee tool, you can make selection in the shape of a rectangle or square. Now let's create a passport size photograph from this model, just like this. After making the selection, we can copy and paste it here. Or on a new page like this. Let's go back to our image and delete this and make use of the elliptical Marquee tool. By selecting the elliptical Marquee tool, we can make selection in circle. To make a perfect circle, you can hold your shift key while you drag, or you just draw your circle by dragging from here across the portion where you want to circle. Then we can move it here. We can also delete selection by holding down the Control key and hitting the delete button. You can also select the inverse like this and click delete it, and like this, and delete it by holding the Control key and hitting the delete button. We can also trim off the transparent edges of this image to leave the selected part by coming to Image, then Trim. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share for more videos. Thank you.